we're babysitting Charlotte. And Charlotte has come over to me where it's cool under the aircon. And Charlotte has got, what have you got? Where are you going? You're going to go look for my dogs? Oh, here comes my Elsa. Hello, Elsa. You're wet. You've been in the swimming pool. And Charlotte's got a little brother born at 5 o'clock this morning. Yeah, 5 o'clock this morning, we got a little brother for Charlotte. Charlotte, your whole life has changed. Hey, are you allowed up on the furniture? You're not allowed to come up here. Your whole life has changed from today. You're not going to be the center of the attention anymore. You got a little brother born at 5 o'clock this morning. Hey, you're quite at home here, aren't you? You can't get up on my lap. Hey, dogs. Charlotte, off, Charlotte. Okay, let me get to business. Hey, guys. I've just got a message from my dev. Charlotte's sitting right on my feet. Just got a message from my dev profile. So let's open that up. And I've got a link there. So I'm testing this out. So I've learned that I will just do this live. It'll work or it won't work, but it's content. I've got to do the testing anyway. So I may as well just, we can get rid of that now. All right, so we got the welcome message. Good news, we're offering free trials on our platform. Are you interested? No credit card required. To register, we'll need your full name, business name, or your name again. That's for people who don't actually have a business name. And a valid email address from you, and you'll need to verify it. So, ready to get started with your 14-day free trial. So I've set up this automation for a 14-day free trial. So I'm just testing it now and see if the flow actually works. Because I demonstrated this on Tuesday to Eugene. I need to tag you, Eugene, and it failed. But I've worked on it now. So yes, let's go. Okay, and I thought that might happen. Let's move that up there. So yes, let's go. So I like doing it in web chat because there's no issues with the Messenger API, etc. So what is your full name? So let me go. My full name is Hilton Davido. That's friction point number 1 is asking for a name. Please provide your business name, friction point number 2. So this is a function that is collecting this information. This is not, I'm frozen. Let's see if that fixed that. This is, not, it freezes every now and then. This is a function call for the techie. People are wondering, how did I build this? This is a function call where through the prompt, you tell the AI to collect the details, and then it will assign those details into those fields accordingly. This is not using the old traditional user inputs where if the user doesn't respond, the bot just sits there waiting for a user input. So let me see if I can maybe thoroughly test this. Please provide your email address. I'm just going to go why. So in the old way, it will be asking for an email address and you had to give it. Otherwise, or there may be, if you're lucky, there'd be a skip option. So it just comes back with please provide your email address. I want to know why. Why do you need my email? I haven't trained the bot to respond to this. It's just like being very, very strict. It's just like, please provide your email address. So I'm going to go, okay, Hilton Davido@gmail.com. Now, the other thing with this is I've put OK, and then I've given my email address. Let's see what the result is. On the old user input, this would not work. I did provide my email address. So let me try this one again. Okay, I need to go and tweak the prompt to deal with these scenarios. So it was recognizing that the email address wasn't clear, and I thought it might be able to just extract the email address. So nearly there, we have the following: the username, Hilton Davido, business name. That's wrong. So at this point, I'm out of the function loop, and I'm waiting to go to the next thing, which is the API call to create the account. And I will have a button on here to change details, which will take me back into the function call. And then the function call will already have all of the information, but it can be prompted to ask what needs to be changed. So I'm not actually testing the account creation. I know that works. I just was testing the data collection. So you can see that if you had a look at the back end, this is like a link, a growth tool comes in, it goes to a welcome, a text block with the welcome message, and then that hooks into the an action, which is the calling the OpenAI assistant. And then in the assistant, we have the prompt on what it needs to do and the data it needs to collect, etc. And then the output of that just goes to a text block with one field, which is the OpenAI. Hey, Charlotte. Charlotte? What's the matter, Charlotte? Charlotte? You okay? Charlotte was crying. Are you crying, Charlotte? Hey, were you crying? You can settle down. You can settle down, Charlotte. So let me get back to this. Anyway, I know what I need to do. I'm going to go now and work on this because the idea is this is going to be scaled and going to have lots of people going through it. And so I need to get some people to test it. And hey, if you're interested in testing it and throwing it some obscure, out of context stuff, let me know, because I need to consistently tweak the prompt and the assistant to train the assistant. It's just like having somebody come and start working for you, an employee. When you put them on the job for the, like when they're doing their first shift after training, they're still going to need more training from a real life situation. Cool. Thanks for watching my live. Peace. Love you all.